It can be overwhelming to adults to process this information, and it can be quite frightening for children. I am so proud to be a fellow of the American Academy of Pediatrics for many years. And the American Academy of Pediatrics has some great tips that I'd like to share with parents and other caregivers. One is simple reassurance. Remind children that our best doctors, our best researchers in Pennsylvania and the nation are learning as much as they can, as quickly as they can. And they are working so hard to keep everyone safe. Give them some control. Number two, give them some control. It's a great time to have kids help you at home, give them some chores or jobs at home, and make washing of the hands, which is one of the very important prevention methods, sort of part of a daily or very frequent ritual. Make it fun for them. I would show them how to sneeze or cough into their sleeve. Make sure they're getting enough nutrition. Make sure they're getting enough sleep. The third thing I would do is watch for signs of stress and anxiety. Kids don't always use words to express anxiety, but you can see physical signs, especially young children, being fussy and cranky, clinging to things, trouble sleeping, trouble eating, being distracted. So it's really important to stick to a regular routine, and that's really helpful for kids, especially now during these very stressful times. I think it's very important to monitor their social media use. We know that electronic devices are part of kids' daily lives, but it's very important, especially important now, to monitor what is on their phones, what is on their iPads, what is on their computers. Video chat is a really good way to keep in touch with your children. And I would specifically talk about how there's lots of rumors, there's lots of things they might see on the internet and on social media, and that they really should get their information from their parents and from sources such as our website, health.pa.gov. And most importantly, it is so essential that parents be a good role model. Kids take their lead from what they see, not always actually what you say. They take their lead from what they see. If they see you staying calm, then they're much more likely to stay calm. If they see that you are not stigmatizing someone, then they won't stigmatize that someone. And we want to make sure that they see you being supportive of your community, to your neighbors, to your family, and for the Commonwealth. And those are all ways that we can help kids through these very trying times. It's also important to take care of yourself, especially as the Commonwealth moves through this crisis. There are mental health resources available. And if you or someone you know is experiencing a mental health crisis, please contact the crisis text line in Pennsylvania by texting PA to 741-741. So in Pennsylvania, please text to 741-741.